by the grace of God. Their mother and father will go back to school. You understand? Do you know the reason why? Because they work hard, they read hard. If you read hard, then you pass your exam. The sky is your limit. Before you go it, you are in university. You understand? Then when you go there, you can read hard, you can become a lawyer, a doctor, or an engineer.
Then I want to be a lawyer.
I know you are very smart girl. I know. You know I'm a very intelligent man. So a lot of my children will feel a cross. And another thing that now, when they go as we are the person that will take care of. So cleaning the house, cooking, doing every other thing. And the mother has told you that I know something. Who are you doing? Listen to me, Angela, you are the same. You see, the world is full of struggle. You understand? And you know what education is the key. If you don't go to school, or you go to school, you will not read, you cannot make it. It's when you go to school, you pass your examination very well. You see, you never go around you. I love you. But whereby you cannot be a Catholic, you can stay here with me. I want to have an extension of family.
Yes.
So that you see, grandpa, people will be calling me grandpa. You know what I'm saying about?
Yes, sir.
See, don't follow those wayward idiots in the school.
No, not like that.
Idiots, yeah. You're very handsome. You know, yes will be disturbing you. Then be careful. It's a good opportunity. I know how much I have been spending time getting borrowing money, doing everything to make sure that you enter the school. Now, please don't disappoint us. Uma, do you have anything to say? I know you are not right.
When you go back,
Yes.
you try to study your education very well.
Yes.
When you wake up in the morning, you pray so that God will guide you.
You know your mother.
I want to say amen.
Amen.
Good afternoon, friends. Good afternoon, sir. How are you today?
Fine.
So, I hope you all know that your examinations are time. Yes. So I want you to seize this opportunity to study hard. Possibly read beyond the school curriculum because it is for your own good.
Girl, give me a
Hope you understand that.
Yes, sir.
Right. Secondly,
Just mine now. Okay.
the school authorities is not unaware of some illicit activities among you students in this school, particularly Sule and Co. Yes. I want to categorically inform you that if you are caught being part of this vices in this school, you will not only be expelled from the school, you will also be made to face the law. Yes. What is it? Stand up. Stand up. I said stand up. Why are you distracting me while I was talking? Keep that thing down. I said keep it down. You know I can as well walk you out of this place.
I dare you to try. You can't do anything. Listen, Mr. Man. I am paying my school fees, and for my school fees, I'm paying your salary. Okay? So you have no right to walk me out from this class. Do you understand? I paid my school fees, and you're here to teach. Okay? You have no right to walk me out.
Right, you are telling me that?
Yes.
You are telling me that?
Yes.
Did you hear? Don't worry. Don't worry. You can see that. Continue. And then, don't be so ambitious. See, don't worry. Do not be carried away by this attitude. Don't be carried away by such person. You see, the end shall justify the means. Don't worry. You think university education is for people like this? You are the gospel, right?
Yes, sir.
I want you to see me as that.
My sister, I don't understand that man's call. What guy is name? Mr. Lanko. Each time that man enters that class, I don't even get myself. I don't even know what I'm doing in here. So disgusting. Hero, not for you. You know that man is one of the best lecturers in the field. Yeah. Not like that Mr. Johnson that parades himself in this laboratory of study. But anyway, since he said he doesn't understand himself, I will help you in his assignment and all the rest of them so that you pass the course. Like seriously? Yeah. No, thank you. Thank you.
You don't think that you do all this money?
No man like him, man.
You don't keep them.
Let me tell you, no mind that with man waiting for God, do the yarn of the open one in here. Waiting for sign now, the kind of thing they need. I've been in the crowd. Why just the open one mouth, the close one anyhow? This is how we are waiting for sign now.
I can't do it. I had the red. Then I had the red. I had to do the tall. And I do it. And the next one I don't take time. Block me. Nah. I will give up. I'll give her one time.
Okay, but I feel like there's no COVID no plan one or two, no just what the matter. No go to that and say now we get one this, now we get this. You know people come out and say now we get this one. And I come back.
Mwakanda cholilakbo, mwaka cholile sakbo. Jegwa chogodi ya na bag na mwa no mwemba kpakbo. I try na peace, man na peace, or less I could ya no.
Because I would like to see my children making it my This is my children. Take this advice. I'm always advising all of you to be very, very serious in your study. If you lose your picture today, tomorrow definitely you will regret it. Do not say that your father did not advise you. But you should be thankful to God that you have a father like me. It's like I'm forcing both of you now to study. It's for your own good. It's for the good of two of you. It's for two of you betterment. Because if you study harder and make it, if God count your success, you might be governor tomorrow. You might be the president of Senate. By then you will develop your rest. But you will not tell you to take my advice. Never people will let any blame on me. Both of you will not say that I'm not. If you study hard, and by God's will, you can become one. Students of tomorrow. Anything more than they study, I'm pushing people to. My hand is not in it. I come out there. Every person can go. That is what I have to tell you. That is my advice. If you like, take. If you don't like, my wife, you can advise them. That's only what I have for them. Let no one blame me tomorrow. You know that I'm not doing that. I have another family, you know. I have another children. The one I got from my baby. Why? So, if they're messed up, it's for their own head. Anything good is for all of us. Bad is for their head. No such Mama?
Don't mind your father.
Yeah, stupid man like that.
Hey!
That they married too well.
Okay, woman. Okay, woman. Relax. Relax. Huh?
Naturally like actually let's go. You go out to go the other bag and I'm one on win back. I try a piece, a man, a piece or less. I could tear no go. On the mabul on the corner go. On number 5 corner go. More can naturally like more actually let's go. You go out to go the other bag and I'm one on win back. I try a piece, a man, a piece or less. I could tear no go. On the mabul on the corner go. On number 5 corner go. I naturally met to I tell about I naturally met to I tell about I actually met to never. He actually about never. I naturally met to never. He actually about never. Oh God, I can't big talk. I never let off a big talk. It's a nigga from Whiskey Punko. Making nigga got talk.
I'm the beat. I'm the bird. I'm the bird. Yes, sir. Sleepy. Yes, sir. I'm the bird. I'm the bird. I'm the bird. Yes, sir. When you want me, when you want to so what happen? You will stop. When you talk out loud, me for me.
No be that yeye letter we dey school. When the Katakap give us say we will be students no come school to learn, say we come school to save time. He got us say if we no learn, say we no go pass out for this campus so we say.
Grandma.
That's the lecture we start with that time. Babe, another lecture, right? That's the way set me for that place. Relax.
Like, one actually let's go. You go out to go the other bag and I'm one on win back. I try a piece, a man, a piece or less. I could tear no go. On the mabul on the corner go. On number 5 corner go. One can naturally like, one actually let's go. You go out to go the other bag and I'm one on win back. I try a piece, a man, a piece or less. I could tear no go. On the mabul on the corner go.
Oh, yeah. Rebad Cool Cats. Timmy J, Gaga, Zion, Jeezy, oh yeah, yeah. Living large, I get one for me. Baby, you see me, I like that. Baby, my wine go down low. I like your backside. Come on, come no the dummy. You see me, I feel am. My bag of wine is for me. Sonya because disaster.
We making dope money to sell without nothing. Call through the route to sell good, but we ugly. But now money done they come, she won't follow me. She me that be Twitter, I be Instagram, I be Shovejo, I be Yahweh, I be with the man. Get up, in the farm big them now. If you say we get down, we the give them now. See me bad man, Jesus will be killing the
What's going on here? Eh? What's going on here? For God's sake. Huh? Who told you that the university is a place for you to come and do jamboree? You understand?
Yes, sir.
If you are here to play jamboree, that is your business. In the end, I will receive my salary. That is it. Mr. Lecturer, bring your voice down. What do you do? Shut up, the man. What is it? What is your problem in this class? What's wrong with you? What's the pay of this weather? We don't know. I'm not going to that for you. Stop disturbing me. When I come back, I want to know who the vibration. Wait, bring them down. Down. Don't worry. These are the type of people who will, in the end, after everything, they will go on social media and say, laugh, that school education is what? Scam. Don't worry, for you now. Shut up now.
They're telling.
Brace off the feathers.
Right together.
So, from what we did the last time I was here, I taught you something. And I know I mentioned things like opportunity cost and the scale of preference and the other. So can any of you tell me what you understand by scale of preference? You. No, your spirit is great. It's okay. Don't worry. We know you. You.
From my own understanding, I would say that scale of preference is the arrangement of names in order of peace important. Thank you.
That's the way I want all of you to answer my question. Can't you see the way she answered? This is the way I want you people to always answer questions. Not like some people are from another planet. I don't know. So, please, whatever you want to do, just allow me to leave this place before you continue. I should give you with Now, I am going to bring you a mark script so that you will see for yourself how to do it. I will see you guys next month.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you,
sir.
Let's come from this side.
Mwaka cholile sako Jekwa chogodi ya na bagi na mua no mwemba kpako I try na peace, me na peace Olesa kutia noko Ono mabulo nuko nako Ono mbufaya kona ako Mwaka na cholile akbo Mwaka cholile sako Jekwa chogodi ya na bagi na mua no mwemba kpako I try na peace, me na peace Olesa kutia noko Ono mabulo nuko nako Ono mbufaya kona ako Anya cholo metu Ya cholo bok Anya cholo metu meti ya chalo bokpa bokpa aya chalo meti neba ya chalo bokpa bokpa neba aya chalo meti neba ya chalo bokpa bokpa neba oga anya kona big talk and I believe for big talk.
What is it? What am I going to do? No, what is that? I know. Come on. Sorry. So you get mine. When I talk, Abi, when I talk for class, when I talk for class. I try na peace, the man a piece or less. I could hear no go. On the mabul on the corner go. On number 5 corner go. More can naturally like bomb. More can naturally sack. The guard to go and a bag and I'm one women back. I try na peace, the man a piece or less. I could hear no go. On the mabul on the corner go. On number 5 corner go. I naturally met I tell about I naturally met I tell about I actually met never. He actually about never. I naturally met never. He actually about never. Oh God, I can't big talk. And I believe for big talk. It's a nigga.
I really like Angela family. They are very intelligent and respectful. What was it I do? My dear, I so much hate that family, especially that school. I hate him with passion. Well, I wish Simon will just finish school and come and marry me. Then my elder brother will go and marry me. Hey, hold it there! Hold it there! Don't marry me. Don't even go close to me. You come and marry me. I'm waiting for him to finish his school so that I come and pay for my head. Any color also, don't even go there. Oh. Yes. See, and I got it first. Wow. That's my girl. You really got it. You're really improving, girl. Oh, thank you. Well, remember what I told you? You're improving. What is it? This one that you can talk about. Serious today. Anyway, I've come to inform you girls that next tomorrow is my birthday. So you guys should prepare. See, prepare for a final year law student examination. And you girls know now, as the leader of this high institution, my guy, AK, is going to show for the be hot. Sure. Even my boyfriend, you know now, it's a point, he go there. You know the big thing now, he will be there present, live. Oh God. Now you don't wake up for that party. My dear, let's leave this place. I can see some flies. I hate to distract them. Let's go inside now. You do your work for the go because they go there.
Before I saw you people coming back, for that reason, I don't need to go in there again. You have to go. We are going inside.
I try a piece, a man, a piece, or less. I could tear no go. On the Mabulon corner, on number 5 corner. What can naturally like bomb? What can actually let's go? The Guajogodi and a bag and a one went back. I try a piece, a man, a piece, or less. I could tear no go. On the Mabulon corner, on number 5 corner.
I know you enjoy. This is the stuff now. Yeah, all enjoy. The stuff. Campus, I come for the papaya. For the door. All those there when they come out. Don't come to wait. Don't come challenge us.
For this campus, Capon. Where's our school again?
Come.
They don't fix now, they don't get it.
Smoke.
Where's our campus again?
I deal with you. They don't stop. I deal with you. I want to tell you, anybody, go enter there, any fucking you.
Jay-Z. I be smart to the mix. I'm busy, yeah. Okay. Dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me dey whine, whine, whine. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me dey whine, whine, whine. Dance, let me see this. Take up the thing, so let me see this. Give her instrumental, let me see her dance. Even though she dey whine, that dance she dey dance. I dey act, action. I dey do activities like overtaking. I dey react to something like party. Don't tell me what to do, I'm not mistaken. Go US, go meet Obama.
Okay, what's up now? What's up now? You see me that wait for you here for long. I didn't hear wait for you. For say you for call.
If you are the first like this, so I the first like this, so
Which is up now?
just stay here like this, yeah. You never hear what they have for campus, eh? You never hear what they have for campus.
Which is so?
So all these small boys go there here, they terrorize everywhere. All these small boys of here today, Sule and they don't pay their dues. You them this,
Which is small boy?
Sule of yesterday, Sule and AK, Sule. That way down, but that most Sule. Yeah, the best like this.
Sule of yesterday. You no ask questions. Are you sure of this information?
How come they reading you fake information now? This is not from the source. Not from the source. You say they carry fake information. Don't worry, me I get plan. I hear say they plan one birthday like that, one useless birthday. Saying I pay and everything. The last I will run them down. Don't be for the campus.
Badu, calm down. You dey sure of that information, Adi? Just chill. Calm down. You see that birthday? You go put body for them. Run them down. You understand? But before that, I want to gather men. I want to make you call women, all two hours together. No reason as you go be, no align, no as you go put body for that birthday. I want me to call full house. 2 men together. You will align. You understand? You will plan as you go enter that big dinner. Also, I see you. Share the few me.
Yeah, I get plan. That is you run them that here. On our final, you don't try market. On our don't try you for there. You tell market for there. You will not play on the campus. Now we don't say. Maybe I don't know we are men.
Just calm down. Calm down. Don't get. This day, you go enter campus. Where you say? He don't know what it is. He don't know see that we dey run now. Just sit down. Calm down.
Yeah, I don't get it. Yeah, I will run those men now.
Mwakanda cholila akpo, mwaka cholile sakpo. Jeko achogodi ya na bag na mua no mwemba kpakpo. Achwe na peace, me na peace, olesa kutia no akpo. Ono mabulo no kona akpo, ono mbufaya kona akpo. Mwakanda cholila akpo, mwaka cholile sakpo. Jeko achogodi ya na bag na mua no mwemba kpakpo. Achwe na peace, me na peace, olesa kutia no akpo. Ono mabulo no kona akpo, ono mbufaya kona akpo. Anya chola metume.
This girl is there again with this and nothing they talk. I am not here to listen to your jargon. Say them and your evil. Excuse me. Especially that one. I'll show her something. Rubbish you go school and that to bed. We will give them the balance.
Let's go.
I mean,
you are the man.
I'm in the wrong school.
You are the real son of the soil.
I did do activities like overtake. I did react to something like party. Don't tell me what to do, I'm not mistaken.
That disappointment. My dear, your parents. These are the kind of things I used to say. I say, you understand now? They know they say that side. Yes, they are gone.
Oh, you went, go on me to Obama, cause you know say you never choke right Obama.
I try a piece, a man, a piece, or less. I could hear no go. On the mobile on the corner, go. On number 5 corner, go. More can naturally like bomb, more can naturally say, go. The one go the bag and I'm one who went back. I try a piece, a man, a piece, or less. I could hear no go. On the mobile on the corner, go. On number 5 corner.
I even like it. They won't throw party, they throw party anyhow. They just come in, start to get step on our toes. For campus, where the sense and the control. Kapor, you know say I know the two they talk. My body be hot. If you carry water put for my body, you go ball. I tell you. As I did so now, I don't get sweat. I need to waste the blood. Kapor, me, I need to waste the blood. What did they happen? How can amateur people be stepping on our own toes? What did they happen? What did they solve? Kapor are the best. My blood they hot. Kapor. I want to give them. I want to give them. Kapor. Stop now. What did they solve? I want to make the bowling for that place. We don't put body for this. Even I want to make the put body for that birthday. Despite the person has no complete. Now I be like this. You know, see me, I know the bad call. You know, see me, I read my Bible. And my best chapter now, numbers. You know why? Because now they count some numbers. You know who? I don't you. You understand? So when you did like this, this the one I got in the morning. Say they don't price, they must collect now. We don't go tell market give them. They will collect. Now 2 by 2 will not be. The police say they don't ask questions. They don't prefer. They don't talk. So they are belly don't swallow. What be helping me? I told you I am the money. I give your Bible. Take my Bible back. I want me to return at Timothy 14:14. Because as I just so today, they go collect. I tell you. I tell you. See, Capron. I don't ride up like a particle, eh? And I was never match them. No, just buy them like snakes. Don't scatter them. Oh, good body there now. Yeah. I don't need no talk too much. I want, as for me, no demand. See everybody do the make everybody stay on guard. Stay and you know how to do them. No fool. Stay ourselves. Nobody. Anybody will try to for you. I tell you. That's why my men will stay on.
Mwakanda cholila akpo, mwaka cholile sakpo. Jekwa achogodi ya na bag na mua no mwemba kpakpo. I try na peace, man na peace, olesa kutia no akpo. Ono mabulo no kona akpo, ono mbufa kona akpo. Mwakanda cholila akpo, mwaka cholile sakpo. Jekwa achogodi ya na bag na mua no mwemba kpakpo. I try na peace, man na peace, olesa kutia no akpo. Ono mabulo no kona akpo, ono mbufa kona.
Yes, Papa.
The unusual behavior of our children is extremely concerning. Where our children are doing, I don't like it. Their bad name is best in the town. Everybody is hammering about their child. They are no more behaving like our children. These are the children of the present. We nurture them. We train them well. But the way they are behaving now is what I don't know. They are not behaving out. I don't know where it's come from. It's giving me concerns. I don't like it. So tell me what you want.
Nine. Are you actually reporting against your child? Eh? Have you seen? Have you really? Well,
what is nice and better? Can't you say what you have? They are no longer behaving like our children. Now where? Since they returned here, I've not seen you. Since yesterday, now, each of us, they have not come back. Where are they? Where have they gone to? They are now no longer apart from our level here. Stop misleading them. Stop misleading them. We are the one that causes this havoc in this family. We are the one that is misleading them, and I don't like it. Let me tell you, that's what the Bible says. I should make your bed, so you lie on it.
What do you think that you are doing? You are disturbing me. Why are you disturbing me? You are disturbing me. You are disturbing me. So, this is the book. This is the book I asked you to read. So, you don't want to do a good behavior. You only just want to lavish yourself. Stop disturbing this man. It's alright. Catherine! 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 Take a look at your products. Mama, look at the first disturbing me. I don't know why. Asking what is doing. Is that the books I asked him to read? So this boy doesn't want to help himself. Don't understand me. Don't say that I did not train them well tomorrow. Don't say that I did not give them good advice. Now, as you can see, like mother, like son. One of the boys, your son. Beautiful behavior. Going to your way. Mother! You think it? No, it's telling me. It's alright. God, let me go. It's alright.
You are not mistaken. Call you and call me to Mama, cause you know say never try to play the Mama. Mama, this sucker we knock you back. Mama, this sucker we knock you back. That's all, my lady. You dare make me high. Baby, I don't go lie. Me and you tonight. Cause you want chop my money now. Go down, search one, follow me now. Go down, search one.
lecturer. Now here you stand so.
Now me, look me for this campus when you use my mouth. Now you use your mouth when you declare a terrorist for this campus.
You look as I did finish. Look at me. Look as I did finish. Carry over, give me. Now the class why I supposed pass. Let me tell you, I want to remind you, it is a culture for somebody like you to champ Adam Baka. How you take reason now? You enter this campus, you know, as your other lecturers come they misbehave, come they talk rubbish, come they give me carry over, what's in the song? One correct?
As you told so now, I get this school they bring you call. Why you call my hand? Why you do like this? I know they waste time to help somebody. I know they waste time. It's supposed enter campus, Hi,
I want to see something. Look my face. I don't disturb you for your class before. No, sir. Now you can't enter class. Couldn't I'm sure that couldn't talk anyhow, Abi. You know art, you just enter this campus, you know art. You know put here for graph when you know what's in the happen. Just come there, challenge everything. You know this man before? You know this man? You don't know him. When they pull and they talk anyhow, this man is my capo. And my CP be this man, you know this man before? You know this man, I ask you. You don't know this man. When they talk anyhow, see my reading you here. On how semester finish,
Any of my men, you know that. I think capo not when they talk too much, the lecturer. Who goes there? Now you know how far. You know go. You feel me?
I go advise you make you come up body for high tension. Make waiting another man chop no purge your belly. You dey feel me? You don't do as you do. You don't do as you do, and my niggas don't tell you what they tell you, I do.
And I believe you know very well that you don't come here and don't fight you or don't fight for you. No one fight you. Just one thing. No be everybody will get it belle. They look fine. Some not there. Why don't they swallow? I tell you. You feel me? Please, yes. Capone, no go play my office. So, no come here for anything. Look at the situation.
I don't want to do anything with you. Here, lecturer. Just thank your staff. Thank your staff that night. Apple. They bring me. Understand? They feel me? Yes. Apple. Show the food.
Now one.
Then no here say one thing happen. Come here say we come here do one or two to you. Try me. No collect. No be say them say. No be sweet bed. Mama fly. You dey hear me? Now one. You come over. Show the food.
Mwakandacholilakpo, mwakacholilesakpo. Jekwa achogodi na bag na mua no mwemba kpakpo. I try na piece, the man a piece or less. I could tear no ko. Ono mabulo no kona ko. Ono mbufa kona ko. Mwakandacholilakpo, mwakacholilesakpo. Jekwa achogodi na bag na mua no mwemba kpakpo. I try na piece, the man a piece.
come that you are dressed like?
I want to go and visit my friend, Chile.
Your friend?
I thought Chile now. My mom.
Oh, okay. I remember.
Where is Patricia?
She's at the back here.
Call her for me. In fact.
Patricia! Who made this girl? Patricia! Oh. So I was just asking. Brother?
Baby in the house.
Brother?
How are you?
I'm fine.
How's your mind?
Fine.
Well, as you can see,
Very good. Yeah.
I'm going to visit my friend. Chile.
Who's you?
Chile, my man.
That is useless friend.
You can call it business man or business guy. Chile is a good man to me. He's a good guy to me. Yeah, let's forget about that. Well, my dear, I want to talk to you. I want to talk about our uncle. Uncle, I work very solid. Uncle of yours.
Uncle Alex.
I hear Uncle Alex. Can you imagine? Just, he takes me out of his house because I have him some money.
Brother, who doesn't know that Uncle Alex is a wicked man?
My dear, let's forget. Well, don't worry, I'll come back.
Okay. You have to come back people.
No problem, my dear. And don't forget to prepare something for me. You know my favorite.
How are they sure? No problem. Bye-bye. Hey, young ladies, what can I do for both of you?
How's the reading going?
What's the game?
I think it is now. We are not fighting. We are here to talk peace.
Say what you are here for. I need this place at once.
We are here for peace. We are not here for fight. Okay, calm down. Right?
What is this? Say it and leave this place at once.
Okay, guys, relax. See, I'm here to beg you. I'm here to beg you for something. Okay, I'm here to beg you on behalf of my guy. Okay, that's the issue. I'm begging that you should not report it to the admin. There is no need of reporting the issue. Now, it's not a big deal. It's a normal thing that normally happens in campus. It's a normal thing that normally happens in
Hey,
campus.
young lady, as you can see, I am busy. I don't have time for this. I don't have time for this meeting. And let me advise you. It's better you stay away from this issue and everything that concerns me. Do you understand? Say calm down. Calm down for what?
Babe, sure.
What?
Relax. Babe, let's be things that they're not doing.
Linda, wait. I don't know you can get to something. You and your brother don't know. Let's do it. Let's do this. But look at you. Making your life up and down. I don't blame you. I see the time. To stay time. It's not wrong.
It's better you come to a new leaf now before it is too late.
Have you noticed for that behavior? Ever since he came back from school, he totally changed. My dear, I'm equally surprised. Since our elder brother entered school, he totally changed. Even since they said that he left, he not even come back. Look at the food he kept for him in the kitchen there. Now the food now is waste. I don't like it, I don't like it. When you come and go to talk to him, I don't like it. I don't like it. Among all the youth in this village, it's funny that you blame me that our brother decided to be friends with. Oh, who doesn't know you as a bad boy in this community? Who doesn't know? That useless boy, who for nothing? Young and saying the one that you beat you up. You love it. So what you love it. Okay. We have to pass it. Let's pass it. You just tell me that thing. That's all.
This world is a wonderful place. And the reason why I'm called religious people is because you can see how I and your mother were struggling day and night to make sure that we give you a benefit education so that you can become something in your life in future. So what I'm trying to say is that if you are going to school, go there and read it. Don't be like Sule. The father of Sule is Agabu. Well, none of them. Yes, I know the history of the family when they were the man in our little age. So don't follow Sule. Or all those idiots in the university who read their time they're supposed to read their books, they say that they are confident, we are confident. Now they are saying, you know all these things that are going up and down. You know what they call it? Anticon. If these people get it, you are finished. So it's better you go to school there and read your book. When you read your book finish, you come out as a shining gold. Do you understand me? You are always seeing you like brain. Yes. Not when you go outside there, you started shaking your head or doing like they will do. And once they do that, you are totally, then they go inside you. The gun will come, and when the gun comes, you can never bring it inside my house. You know I can't donate her. How can you catch her? You are saying you are the worst. Because I know you are idiot. Sometimes I will be there inside the house watching through the window. I will see when you see all these guys that are passing. You do like this. I will be there watching you. Papa, just so you are. Papa, how do you know? Oh, you see, I'm not a gentleman. And you know how this is with when we are young. So you have to be very careful. Education.
Mwaka cholile sakpo Jekwa chogodi ya na bagi na mua no mwemba kpakpo I try na peace, me na peace Olesa kutia no okpo Ono mabulo no kona ako Ono mbufaya kona ako Mwaka na cholile akpo Mwaka cholile sakpo Jekwa chogodi ya na bagi na mua no mwemba kpakpo I try na peace, me na peace Olesa kutia no okpo Ono mabulo no kona ako Ono mbufaya kona ako Anya chola metu Ya chola bokbo Anya chola metu Ya chola bokbo Anya chola metu never.
No, no, the other actually.
Oh, you meant that. I hope there is no problem.
No, not at all. I don't think it's a message for him.
You can give us the message and when he comes back, we'll deliver it.
That's a very good idea.
Mwaka cholile akpo Mwaka cholile sakpo Jekwa chogodi ya na bagi na mua no mwemba kpakpo I try na peace, me na peace Olesa kutia no okpo Ono mabulo no kona ako Ono mbufaya kona ako Mwaka cholile akpo Mwaka cholile sakpo Jekwa chogodi ya peace, a man a piece, or less. I could hear no go. On the mabul on the corner, on the buffet corner. And I tell them to me, I tell them about and I tell them to me, I tell them about I tell them to never.
Yes, dear.
It's like we need to go for that birthday.
Which birthday are you talking about?
A very big dog, God.
Oh, a very birthday?
Yes.
I don't think I'll be able to go for that birthday.
Why?
Don't you know Bear and their gang? Don't you see how they behave in class? I don't think that birthday will be making any sense.
Come on, let's go now. Let's just go and witness things for ourselves.
Don't you know how bad they are?
Let's go. What will happen?
No. I can't go for the birthday. Those people, they are really bad guys.
Nothing will happen.
Are you sure nothing will happen?
Yes. Let's just go and try.
What do you really want to go there to do?
Let's just go and witness things for ourselves.
Witness what? What do you want to witness there?
Let's just go now and go ourselves. At least shoot eye and come out.
You're just insisting on going for this birthday. Your reasons I don't know.
Let's just go now. We see at least shoot eye and come out now. Nothing will happen.
Oh, you're just insisting on going for this birthday.
Yes, let's go out there.
Alright, fine. If you insist on going for the birthday, I'll just go for your sake.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Remember, it's tomorrow.
Wake up! Patricia! What's going on, bro? No! Mado! You are 15. The compromise market will be bad. Again. I will pay. And now you're wrong. Now wrong finish. Now wait for me now.
Naturally lagbo, actually let's agbo. Jegwa chogodi and a bag in a moan on win back. I try a piece, a man a piece or less. I could tear no go. On the mabulon corner, on number 5 corner. Mwaka naturally lagbo, actually let's agbo. Jegwa chogodi and a bag in a moan on win back. I try a piece, a man a piece or less. I could tear no go. On the mabulon corner, on number 5 corner. I naturally met to me, I tell about Baba. I naturally met to me, I tell about Baba. I actually met to never. He actually Baba never. I naturally met to never. He actually Baba never. A guy that gonna big dog. I never let off a big dog. This nigga and when floats again, you shock. Calligimatica bishop. And come a second, but chilly gloom. Look at the big dog. I actually met to never. He actually here for fighting. It's in Egypt, flight. Even if fella that didn't kite. So I put them on my left arm, I can't put again my right. I put them on my left arm, I can't put again my right. And when many long will joy, men narachi, men who bought on a chazuba, and the father no question, the father no nasi. I had only Mamma Gassipa. Let's go.
Baby White Production. I've been smart on the mix. Where's the nation? You know what the borders. Run them, Jeezy.
I never lamb a day, I no be fino. I'm just a young boy chilling with my own joy. Me, why is she looking at me? Does she wanna put the evil spirit on me? The still upcoming when they get the money. Feel like stay by this time we don't they go overseas. Cause I call her the diva, she said I got fever. I got her for liver, we put her for river. See, we be making up. See how the girls self, they be dressing up. See how the chicks self, they be fucking up. Cause we done the drink 7 up.
Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we dey run them. Now we be the baddest. We dey kill and show to the highest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we dey run them. YFG the baddest. Now we be the baddest.
Look into my eyes, I'm a gangster. I dey see things. I don't go many places, I don't see things. I'm just a young boy getting into big things. Them say I'm ready with big dreams. Them say I no fit, but I get hope. We dey go every show, we dey do them all. Bad man them, they won't see us fall. We never enter prison, then they bail us. Anywhere where we go, then they hail us.
When I wanna flow, everybody know. This is in the club, Lee wins in one look. It's a bad boy, give me bad instrumental. It's a bad boy, give me bad instrumental. He buy, somebody purple. Someone knocking on my door, weeks no lever. You think the phone bus for your pockets. There is God up, listen the screamer. Watching, I've been watching the man, I'm little dirty. If you want try me, make you know something. Listen the pop something for the NYC. Mama tell me what you dream, mama follow your way. Mama tell me what you dream, make I follow your way. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we dey run them. Now we be the baddest. We dey kill and show to the highest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we dey run them. YFG the baddest. Now we be the baddest. I dey rap, I dey sing, I dey come MC. I dey go any show, I dey fuck plenty. I dey go any club, I dey pop something. Baby girl, small me, go I got something. I dey go anywhere, I dey pack plenty. The road, shake or see. Kilo for emergency. Now we be the baddest. See, I dey get money for anywhere. I dey go any place, I dey go anywhere. I dey go NYC and every year. And if you come meet me, you go take a year. I'm a town, never wish you there for summer, yeah. Not the fun for my side, come up for yeah.
Yo, we the baddest. We the go man the show, we the run them. We the go man the studio, we the boss anything. We just coming up still, we the shine like the star. We the top anything, we the kill anything. We the boss anything, we the run anything. Cause now we be the baddest. We the go man the show, we the run them. We the go man the studio, we the boss anything. We the kill everything. Cause Rocky.
Network. Network! They me at the best! I'm the best they can! You know what pass me, Network? You know best pass me! They can't feel your pain! On this campus! Network! Those people get mine! Them get mine come over! Say people they control it overboard! Who go show them say between power back and charger because when they take light, that means no say power back pass charger! This nonsense slappers! And the man, and then to enter, I'm a couple petty, confront people for God. They didn't say, give you that your pain. Give me. Network, she be in me. Network. Na me network problem. Network. Na me any other everything will give them. See no see 10 or 10. Je suis sûr. I don't never shit tomorrow. I will man. Network. See no see. Tell no tell. I that see today is about tomorrow. This is the ground price market.
Then go buy.
You must buy ya.
Then go buy.
The black is the game mind. Too much. Buy my girl. It's time for war. The black is the game mind.
Nigerian man for this campus, Abi. It is the backward step of Iran, saying the fear. You know. You don't know say person wey wear white, so they rush up on us you. Rain no dey fall for one man roof, but see your rain now. You see your roof everywhere na rain. You don't fall for your roof only. You don't buy your sister, buy your gold. You don't do it. That one not me. And Capone, I define not you. I don't have anything to do with you. But you don't collect, I want you. But you don't listen. But I want you don't listen. No, right here.
Kanda cholila akpo, mwaka cholile sakpo. Jeko achogo diya na bag na mua no mwemba kpakpo. I try na peace, a man a peace. It's an easy double flight. Every fella that did not get it. So I put them on my left arm, I can't do I get in my right. I put them on my left, I get in my right. And when many level of giant men, Narachi, men who got to the Nachazuban, the father no quassel, father no nasi. I actually Mama Gasipa, suddenly on my head that show me love, and I just said, man, and you qua, and when the super target, and then the means, of course, we are not.
Oh, now we did. We don't go right for this ghetto until I get you down! I will get you down! I don't think you know they must collapse, huh? What's in the top, huh? Now we be young, eh? Now we be young. Young that. You understand? Me, I don't die. They think they see escape, baby. Man, I come on.
Simon, so this is how Ebere and Linda ended their life.
I still can't believe it. You know when you came to me initially telling me of the birthday, I never wanted to go because I had my reservations about it. I had the feeling that something bad will really happen in that birthday, but still I had to go because she insisted we go. Now look at how it turned out to be.
That's why I insisted that we need to go for that birthday, to witness things and see for ourselves.
Now we've witnessed it already. We've already seen it. We've witnessed it, yes. You saw what happened there. A very bad sight.
I didn't even believe that. Even Toshi was among the bad guys in that school. He used to be a good student. We used to read together.
I'm very, very surprised. My dear, if I say that I'm not surprised, then I'm lying. I'm very, very surprised at Tochi's behavior. Look at Tochi. Tochi is very, very calm. Quiet. I used to take him as one of the serious people. But look at how he ended up. You know what? They say you don't judge a book by its cover. I think that's the same case with Tochi.
That is why it's good to go.
You know what? Don't drink. Drink up, let's go. Just drink up.
Because as it is now, you never get no good now. So let's take it on the
I tell you one thing, we shall leave. Police come close. Shut up, let's argue. Stop! Who goes there? I know offer. Who no go? No. You don't feel me? I never want to kill you. Don't say I never buy that game for your parents. Kevin, you want us to come? I think so. What time I die, you must die come from. You have my most not die or down. Okay, mind the promise more. You know the theater. So, Nigerian man, first brochure for this campus. Relax. When they see your face, if I reason you, I'm telling you, send because we first call police to book you. You understand? Don't what you feel do, my brother. You must know if you know who can tell. Oh, then I die.
And I believe for big talk. It's a nigga from whiskey punko. Making nigga choco. And when flossy gang is shoko. Kaligi Masika Bishop. And who come Masaka Pachili Gilume. Look at Saka Pickup. I actually met you never. He actually here for fighting. It's an Egypt flight. Even if I don't deny the kite. So I put them on my left arm. I can't put I get in my right. I put them on my left ear. I do the CD. It's not vintage. I won't come with a panic cage. Live life where you see young and in Jamaica. I actually met you, I tell about Baba. I actually met you, I tell about Baba. I actually met you never. I tell about Baba never. I actually met you never. I tell about Baba never. Moi can naturally like moi can tell you the sacco. The water go the and a bag and I'm one win back. I try a piece and then a piece or less. I could see an offer. On the map on the corner, on number 5 corner. USA Alancha one
excellent and the mix.
If you any back
Confrontation.com.
I do the CD. Set up my top, passing and get fed. And I chill up on the front page. More the hot and so paid. East and left, we go Chelsea. What can I cousin a vintage? I walk over a panic cage. Live life where you see young and in Jamaica. I actually met you, I tell about Baba. I actually met you, I tell about Baba. I actually met